With over 7,000 islands, the Philippines, of course, offers lush beaches and wonderful ocean adventures, but there's also river trips, jungle explorations, and so much more.
Right now, we're quietly walking through the Tarju Reserve to spot these adorable little animals with huge eyes, but they're very small, about so big. Absolutely incredible and cute.
Stars are now really endangered. We have to protect them.
We're about to go caving, so a little bit of an adventure. The marine biologist
so
there.
Tomorrow, what line of lectures will be joining?
Please welcome to our underwater world. We're teaching them to be responsible tourists, responsible guests. They will be aware that they have responsibility to take for our marine environment.
This is the first time that the Philippine Department of Tourism is working with A&K as a member of the Tourism Board and as a member of a USTOA. We are very happy that we will be able to share our beautiful country.
What are you waiting for? Experience our country, experience the nature, experience the culture of our people.